Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel in which we will be more focusing on the AI. As you all know that AI is right now currently booming in the industry. So this particular playlist will be giving you the knowledge about different AI tools in different categories. Say for example how to generate the images, how to generate the content, how to create an AI avatar which helps you to create the content and everything. So welcome to the AI series where we will be exploring the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its impact on our lives. So firstly, we'll have a few brief introduction about the AI, what is it, why we are using it, and then I'll show you the practical implementation of AI tools as well. Stay tuned till the end of this video as we are going to understand it first of all theoretically, and then we have to actually implement and use the AI tools. So in this channel, you'll get to know how to use the AI tools, and there are lots of hundreds of AI tools which I have kept in my lineup. So it saves you the times, it has the automation facility, it gives you the data analysis as well, and it gives you personalized recommendations as well. So we know that the ChatGPT has like made the has disrupted the industry as well. So in this video also we'll have the practical implementation of ChatGPT. What is prompt? So whenever you talk about AI tool, it's the prompt which you have to provide to the AI tool. Prompt is basically based on the NLP, that is a natural language processing. Basically it's an AI model which will understand the natural language and it will convert the prompt to the basically the task which you have provided. So it can be used for content creation, it can be used for translation, it can be used for summarization. So today in this video I'll help you out how to summarize the PDF with the help of ChatGPT. And lastly, the best use cases for the developers is code generation. We have the second tool in the list, that is Claude AI. This we'll see in the next video. The first video is more focusing on the ChatGPT. So Claude AI has its versatile AI assistant. It has the knowledge. So initially the AI, the ChatGPT was having few limitations, and now the Claude AI has resolved those limitations as well. So we have the same things. Code assistance is there, creative writing is there. So basically they are like siblings. We have a Gamma AI. So let me tell you, this presentation I have also prepared through Gamma AI. It's an innovative AI solution which provides you the different types of images. It is also understand the natural language processing, and with just one prompt, it will help you to create very beautiful presentations as you can see on the screen. So boosting the efficiency with AI powered tool, calendar management it can do email automation, virtual assistants are there, task management is there. Everything is like surrounded by AI tools, right? And practical applications in our daily lives, it's personalized recommendations you can have. You can have smart home devices, we can have in healthcare, and we can have in education. So this is the practical applications of AI tool in our daily lives. So then I'll explain you what the practical implementation is all about. So the screen which you are able to see on my video, it's basically the ChatGPT is a dashboard. You either have to sign up or you have to sign in. If you have already used it, you can just have the sign in. And if you are very new to the ChatGPT, you can easily sign up through the Google or the Gmail account. So this is just a dashboard. So let us understand first the dashboard. Here, this is known as a prompt area where you can actually have the prompt and you can say whatever you want to do. They are giving you the few suggestions. Create a cartoon illustrations of my pet. Now the ChatGPT is also focusing on the image generation, the video generations. You can generate a very good shorts, YouTube shorts. You can create reels throughout the ChatGPT. And here it is showing me the previous 30 days, the history of my chats. And the another tool for it is PDF AI chat PDF. Basically, you provide the PDF and they will summarize you. So I'll give you one example. Let's say, hello, hey, I am Prashant Sahatya. So it's just a warm welcome to the AI, and you have to speak, you have to chat with the AI. Say, for example, it's called known as a conversational AI. You have to act as if you are conversing with the AI tool, right? So it will give you a response. Hello, Prashant, how can I assist you today? So he's ready to assist you. Let us just start with one PDF, and here I'll give the PDF, right? And I will let him know that summarize this research paper. Let me know what methodologies they have used, right? So they will also provide me, yeah. So I've given the PDF as an input and I have told him to like summarize this research paper and know what are the methodologies they have used. So they told me the research paper is titled as software defect prediction using machine learning algorithms. Methodologies they have used are like random forest, random tree. So basically it summarizes everything out of the PDF. You are not supposed to read the entire PDF and waste your time. Now it's very easy to write, let's say, research papers. The research papers have to be written very lengthy. We have to read the existing research papers. So this is the AI tool which can help you in summarizing the research papers as well. So this is very short summarization. If you wanted, let's say, give me in 15 lines as a paragraph. So when you write the literature reviews, if someone knows, so we write literature reviews in the research papers, right? So that have to be in the paragraph. Give me in 15 lines as a paragraph. So it will also give you as a paragraph, right? So you can see it is investigating the application of 8 machine learning algorithms like this. The study employs 2 testing modes, that is tenfold and percentage split. What percentage split? They have also mentioned this. So they'll give you this in 15 lines. It's very easy to use ChatGPT and it's very like natural language. You just have to give the prompt in a natural language and they will give you the response. So that is it about this video. In this video, we have understood how to use the PDF with the ChatGPT. In the next video, we will understand the more usages of ChatGPT and we have to enhance the usage of ChatGPT. You can generate these scripts, you can generate the videos, you can generate the images as well. So slowly and gradually, we will see the ChatGPT's usage in different domains. So thank you and thank you for listening to this video. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me to reach out to more number of students which are like very new in this field. So thank you so much for watching this video.